Begin by positioning on your hands and knees. As you breathe in, breathe into the belly and the area between the sit bones, letting the pelvic floor relax. Breathe out, bringing the ribs down, contracting the pelvic floor as you lengthen the arms and the opposite leg away from you. Return to the starting position and then repeat. Now you will feel your core, glutes, and shoulder blades working with this exercise. Avoid arching the back and avoid shifting or rotating your hips while you perform this movement.